Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about global scope and functions. In JavaScript, scope refers to the visibility of variables. Variables which are defined outside of a function block have a global scope. That means that if the variable is declared outside of any function, then we can consider it as global scope. This means they can be seen everywhere in your code. Okay, so it can be used in any of the functions. It will be working in any of the functions. Variables which are declared without the let or const keywords are automatically created in global scope. So it's stating that if you don't use let or const keywords without variable, then it will be considered as global scope. This can create unintended consequences elsewhere in your code or when running a function again. You should always declare your variables with let or const. Okay. Using let or const, declare a global variable named myGlobal outside of any function and initialize it with a value of 10. So it is saying that using let or const. So let us use const. Then we are declaring a variable myGlobal and we are giving it a value of 10. Okay, so we are getting output of myGlobal is equal to 10. Then here we need to assign 5 to oops global here. Inside the function f1, assign 5 to oops global without using the let or const keywords. So here we should not use let or const. So I think we just need to type oops global, just oops global and equaling it to 5. So we have an error here that oops global is not defined. Okay, it's not defined because we are not using any let or const keywords. So here we have a function f2 inside which we have an empty string where output empty string. If type of myGlobal is not equal to undefined, that means that uh, the data type of myGlobal, we have different data types like number, strings, or if it is nothing, then it is called undefined. So if type of a myGlobal is not equal to undefined, then output is plus equals, that means output is equal to output plus myGlobal plus myGlobal. So output here is an empty string, then it will be empty string plus the string myGlobal, then the value of myGlobal here. Obviously this myGlobal is just a number, so it can't have a data type of undefined. So it is true. So this if statement is actually true, so I think it will run like that. So we'll get myGlobal is equal to 10. And if type of oops global is not equal to undefined, here in this case oops global is not defined, it is undefined, that means it is equal. So we won't be having this value that output is equal to an empty string plus oops global plus oops global, so we won't be getting that value. So here at last we have console.log output. So here we already have output is equal to this, but after all this execution we'll be having some value for output. So here it is not defined. So if we add something like var oops global, then we'll be getting my global is equal to 10. Okay, because here it is not equal to undefined. There's some I don't know if you understood this concept. Let me run this test. Test completed. Console output. Oops global is not defined and oops global is not defined. Okay. Here we should actually put Z, capital Z. So we are getting both. 10 and oops global is equal to 5. That means that here this oops global is defined. It is defined, and it is not a type of undefined, because we have already learned that in this that if variables are not declared with let or const keyword, it will be automatically considered as global scope. So here I think this program will consider that oops global to be global scope. So here it won't be equal to undefined, so we'll be getting output oops global is equal to this. So we are getting the value of both. Okay, so I think you understood what I told. If even if you didn't understand, keep going with this challenge. Later videos you will be getting more grasp of this. So let me run the test. So yeah, we have run the test and it's working. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.